Zimbabwe military intelligence sources late Saturday night moved to calm growing public speculation following the sudden removal of Colonel Baloyi, the wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, from a powerful position within the military intelligence directorate. Sanapenda mashoko branch kwapangwa na chinzi. ZDF moves to explain removal of VP Chiwenga's wife from strategic intelligence post. She would have stayed in job for 6 years. Not about subscribe or like on the bell icon. The development had triggered widespread debate within defense and political circles after reports emerged earlier in the day that Baloyi had been removed from the strategic intelligence position she had occupied for several years at the Zimbabwe Defense Forces headquarters ZDF House. A senior figure within the Military Intelligence Directorate (MID) told ZVAITWA that the move should not be interpreted as a peg, but rather a routine rotation within the intelligence command structure. In quotes, Minnie Baloyi had overstayed for 6 years in the same position, the senior intelligence source said late Saturday. She was supposed to run on the post for 3 years, so this is a normal rotation. She will be redeployed. The official added that internal military procedures normally require intelligence officers to rotate between sensitive assignments in order to prevent over-consolidation of operational influence within one office. For years, Baloyi had been stationed at ZDF House, where she reportedly occupied a critical role within the MID command channel through which intelligence from both the Zimbabwe National Army and the Air Force intelligence branches was processed before moving up the chain. Her removal had immediately drawn attention because of the sensitivity of the position and their proximity to one of the country's most powerful political figures. The same intelligence source also suggested that the removal of Colonel Mandaza, who had been serving as Director of Military Intelligence in the Army, may be connected to a separate internal controversy involving the leaking of details relating to the military intelligence officer. According to the source, the matter concerns an incident in which an MID officer was accused of assaulting constitutional law scholar Professor Lavmo Maduko, a case that he had quietly circulated within the defense and legal circles. The DMI Mandaza's removal could be connected to the leaking of details of a MI officer who was accused of assaulting Professor Lavmo Maduko, sources said. It was not immediately clear whether the alleged leak originated from within the Army intelligence structures or from another branch of the security services. Military authorities have not issued any official public statement on the matter because of the extreme sensitivity surrounding operations inside the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. ZimI is withholding the identities of the intelligence officials who spoke to the newsroom. Toma developments ari pombe Zimbabwe. Nakomesa section medu za fundo enyi moto dipa msero pechitwechi. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.